Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create watermark in Capcut on your iPhone. So the first step is to simply open your Capcut project and then simply tap on text. Now here simply tap on add text, and now here we're gonna have to simply type in watermark, or if you want you can type in whatever you like. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to styles, and then you're gonna have to choose the black color, and then simply you're gonna have to decrease the opacity, as you can see, like this. And basically that's all you have to do. Now if you want, you can make it bigger, you can rotate it like this, and that's all. And if you want this to be until the end of the video, simply drag this until the end, just like that, and that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.